Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. So in this device, I didn't set any screen lock. You can see the swipe up, it is unlocked. You can see. So simply I will show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option security and privacy. Tap on this one. Scroll down, tap on device unlock, tap on screen lock. So you can see some type of screen lock, none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. So the secure screen locks are pattern, pin and password. So to set the pattern screen lock, tap on the option pattern. So to create the pattern, we need to connect at least 4 dots. Tap on next. Again confirm the pattern. Tap on confirm. Then for the lock screen feature, you need to select any one from here. So here I select the third one. Don't show notification at all, and after that tap on done. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock. Draw the pattern, it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the pattern screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.